If you have had this feeling for a while that something is off with your energy, you're sleeping enough, you're eating reasonably well, and still running on empty, then you are actually in exact the right spot today. Here's something that surprises most women. Only 7 to 12% of adults in the US are metabolically healthy. That means that almost 9 to 10 people are living with some form of insulin resistance, inflammation, or blood sugar issues, and most don't know it. So when insulin isn't working properly, everything else follows: energy, sleep, mood, weight. And that's why a targeted reset makes sense. Not a diet, not a detox, just helping your body function the way it was designed to. Sugar is quick energy. So if you're constantly snacking or eating a lot of refined carbohydrates constantly, your body produces insulin continuously, over and over and over, and the whole day long. And over time, the cells stop responding to it. And that is called insulin resistance. And did you know that muscle mass, when you work out regularly and increase your muscle mass in your body, muscle tissue is metabolically active? That means it does burn sugar for energy. And that is so important for us, especially for us women, to know to not lose our muscle mass. It's a 14-day metabolic reset, and that is designed to make your body metabolically flexible again. It's not about weight loss as the goal in itself. It's not a reset. It's a metabolic reset so that the body gets back into how to function again. It's about having energy again in it and a body that feels like yours again. Oxalates are natural compounds found in many foods that actually sound healthy, like spinach, almonds, sweet potatoes, and chia seeds. The problem, when your body is already stressed or inflamed, too many oxalates can accumulate and cause silently damage. Oxalates can block minerals like calcium, magnesium, iron, and they can trigger joint pain and fatigue and brain fog. I really recommend it because I feel so much difference when I skip it. And it has done so much to me. It supports every single body system. And what we do in the 14-day reset, we flood the body with nutrients. The red drink, it supports stable blood sugar. So low glycemic index helps reduce insulin spikes and cravings. So it helps to stabilize the blood sugar levels. And with that, you have energy without a crash. There was a clinical study with 160 adults for 30 to 60 days. The results were 35% more energy, 23% less daily stress, better mood, better sleep quality, more focus and clarity, less inflammation, and physical limitation. The body is screaming for its habits. Many of us have had habits around food for years: comfort, distraction, reward, rewind in the evening. When those patterns fall away, what's underneath can surface. And sometimes you feel empowered, sometimes you might feel raw or resistant or even impatient, mostly with yourself. But you can embrace small routines, rituals help more than big willpower. what you can do with essential oils, for example, if you are someone who is using essential oils. So let what comes up come up, let it pass, and stay curious about what it's telling you about yourself. You can be curious, you can take the position of the observer and observe what's coming up. And write that down. Be grateful and embrace the journey. A 20-minute walk after eating lowers blood sugar more effectively than some medications. Crazy, isn't it? So that's not a sales pitch for walking. That's physiology. It's more muscle activation, and with more muscle activation, more effect. The more muscle you can build through your walking, through your movement, the more active tissue you have. Muscle mass is metabolism active. Show up for yourself every single day for a couple of minutes. It's not intensity, it's consistency. It has probably taken a couple of years to bring you into this situation that you are in now. That means it will take a couple of months to get you out there, to get you to where you want to be. But you will feel improvement from the beginning. And it's beautiful. First, press that button, make a consult with me.